Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Uh, if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and share to all your friends. Okay, so today's topic is what is white box testing, how white box testing is done, and who does white box testing, and when we do a white box testing. Okay, uh, so let's start to learn what is white box testing. Okay. Entire white box testing is done by the developers. Okay, entire the white box testing is done by the developers. Okay, it is a testing of second point. It is a testing of each and every line of code in the program. Okay, what does that mean? Developers will do white box testing by testing each and every line of code in the program whoever written this code for the each module. Okay, now third, developers do white box testing. Developers do white box testing and sends the software to testing team. Okay, developers do white box testing and they will send the software to testing team. Okay, now the fourth point is the testing team does black box testing, and they will start for checking or testing the software against requirement and finds any defect and sends it to the developers. Okay, what is the fourth pointer? I will repeat here. The testing team does black box testing. Okay, all the testing team who is assigned, they will do the black box testing. What is the black box testing here? Without saying any source code, you are doing the functional testing or integration testing of the software, and then they will check the software against the requirements. And after checking the software against the requirement, testing against the requirement, and they will find, if they find any defect, they will send the defect report to the developers. Defect report to developers. Okay, now fifth point. Fifth point is when test engineer sends the defect report to the developers, then developers will fix that defect which is having high priority and severity blocker measure. Okay, who is having high or immediate priority, they will fix it, and after fixing they will do white box testing. Means they will check all the each and every line of code in the program, and then afterwards, after fixing the bug and doing white box testing by the developers, they will again send it to the testing team. Okay, so so fixing defect means the defect is removed and feature. Fixing defect means the defect is removed and feature is working fine. Okay, here white box testing having three types. Okay, so first of all, I will write first of all, that is part testing. Okay, what is a part testing here? This is a type of white box testing. Okay, in this part testing, we write flow graphs. Okay, and test all independent parts and test all independent paths. Okay, so in this part testing, this here, I think you are getting my point. Here you are writing the flow graphs and test all independent paths. Writing flow graph means what? You are representing the flow of program, how each program is interlinked with each other. What is the meaning of flow graph? It is representing the flow of program, how each program is interlinked with each other. Okay, I will tell you example. Okay, no, this is your main function. Okay, this is your main function, main program, and this is the function 1, function 4, function 2, function 3, function 5, function 6, function 7. For the main function, the function 2 is interlinked with function 7. So the function here, function 1 is interlinked with function 3, function 4, function 5, function 6. Okay, and so on. So if you write in this way the flow graph of the program, then you can find easily bugs. Okay, so anything changes in any function, in which interlink functions they will find the bug, so it will be easier to find the bug. Okay, so for that purpose part testing is very important. Okay, so what is white box testing? White box testing is testing independent paths of a flow chart. Okay, so I think you understood the what is white box testing. Now we will move on to the condition testing. Here, see here, the second part is condition testing of white box system. Condition testing. Okay, in condition testing, testing testing for all the conditions. Like if you are testing for if condition, then you must do the testing for else condition. That is, you are testing for entire logic. Okay, suppose here the program is there, if condition equals to true. Okay, whatever you are giving any command between this, if it is working for if condition, then the condition should be work for else also, for false also it should work, for true also it should work, and false also it should work. The program should work correctly for both conditions. That is, if condition is true, then else should be false, and vice versa. Okay, that is about the condition testing. Okay, because if you're not testing the one else between this, if you're testing only for, if you're testing only for the if, and if you're not testing for the else, then you will find the more bugs. If customers found the for the else condition, then it will be a several loss of the business. So the condition testing is most important. Okay, now, hi guys. So what is loop testing? Test the loops for while, do while, for the cycles, and also check for terminating conditions if working properly, and if the size of condition is sufficient enough. For example, let us consider a program wherein the developer has given about 1 lakh groups. Okay, suppose you have 1 lakh groups. We cannot test this manually for all 1 lakh cycles. So we write a small program, and here like test A. Okay, here I will write the for to write the automation test script which checks for all 1 lakh groups. This test A is known as unit test. Okay, so the test program is written in the same same language as the source code program. Developers only write the test program. Here, if you have the requirements A, B, C, D, E, then the developers will write for this such type of conditions for 100 loops or 1 lakh loops, program A, program B, program C for this respective requirements. Okay, so the drawback of can be corrected in the following way. We write a test program for the corresponding code. Developers write this test programs in the same language as the source code. The developers then run this test program, also called as an unit test. Okay, you can see like this: program write, test A run, requirement B, program B, test B, requirement D, program D, test D, requirement D, program E, test D. The collection of test program is known as test suite. So what is test suite? The collection of test program is known as test suite. As early we catch the bug, cost of fixing the bug will be less. If we delay in catching the bug, cost of fixing will be increased exponentially. So, so hi guys, if you if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and share to all your friends. Okay, if you have any doubt, please comment and be connected. Okay, uh, I will be I will come with many ideas for the QA process. Okay, so happy for all. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.